Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT6, and in this video I'm going to show you 10 hidden features on this device. Alright, first is possibility to simply change the apps in the app list, so thanks to that we'll be able to quickly find our apps in that list. So for example, let's say that we are using Notepad really often and we are, tired of scrolling each time to find it. So all we need to do is simply hold on the icon, then slide to the upside and place it right on the top. Thanks to that we can save some time, and we have our most used apps on the top when we open up the app list. I highly recommend doing that with really often used apps. Simply organize your app list for that. Alright, next thing is possibility to use the smart replies, quick replies to be more exact. To do it, we need to open up the HUAWEI Health app on our phone. Okay, go into devices, select your watch, scroll down, and now go into notifications first. You need to keep them enabled. And if you are using apps such as WhatsApp or messages, when you will receive a message, it will be shown on your watch. You'll be able to use one of the quick replies. To do it, go back, select quick replies, and in here we have a list of all sentences that you can use for quick replies. We have the okay, yes, thanks, no thanks, great, okay, thanks. Of course, if you are not using them, you can of course delete them or add your own reply. You can use up to 36 characters. To save it, simply click on OK. We can also even, I think, change its position. Yeah, when we will hold, we can change its position on our list. So thanks to this function, we'll be able to quickly reply into messages on our watch. Let me only zoom again, so I'll be able to show you other things. Okay, next thing is always on display mode. To launch it, open up your settings. Now go into display and brightness, and in here we have AOD mode. It will always display time when this mode is on. If you enable it, remember that it will reduce your battery life. Click on continue, and once we have turned that on, we have two gestures down below. When we will raise, we'll be able to enable the watch face or to launch AOD. So simply when the screen is off, when we will raise our hand, it will show AOD or it will show our watch face. You can simply pick the mode that you want to use. It's up to you. Okay, another cool gesture is tap to wake. When our screen is turned off, when you select that, when you will tap on the screen, it will be turned on. Let me show you. For now, I have of course turned on the AOD, so for now I'll turn it off. Or actually, I'm sure that all of you know how this mode works, so I'm not going to wait until the screen turns off. Also, we have raise to wake, worth enabling, and if you want, you can also adjust the automatic brightness. You can keep it enabled or keep it turned off. It's up to you. Okay, also we have the down button, which is right in here, and we can set a shortcut for it. To do it, go and find down button in the settings. Let's select action when we will press once. Currently the workout app will launch, but in my case I like to set, for example, the flashlight, which is right in here. And now when you'll take a look, I tap, and here we also have a tutorial how to use the flashlight, and you can see that the flashlight has been automatically launched. When it comes to the flashlight itself, we can adjust its brightness by simply scrolling up or down on our crown. You can see that the brightness is being changed, and if you slide to the upside, you can also change the color of our flashlight. So for example, let's set it on blue, you can see that the color has been changed. Now you can see that brightness is changing when I'm moving the crown. And also you can enable the flash function. It can be slow or fast. Let's select slow. And you can now see that it's flashing. Alright, so that's how this mode works. Another cool thing is water drain function. To do it, simply slide to the upside when you are on your watch face. And in here we have the drain function. Let's say that your hand gets wet, or for example you forgot to take off your watch, you stepped into the bathtub, and your whole hand is really wet, including your watch. Don't worry, we have the drain function. Simply select it. And now all you need to do is to simply shake and tilt the watch to help the water get out. Really cool feature, worth enabling and use. Okay. Also, we have the emergency calls that we can use. To do it, we need to do it from the level of our app. Let me again adjust the zoom a little. Let's open up the HUAWEI Health app. Now, we need to go into the profiles. First, go into me. Now scroll a little, click on profile, and click on emergency information. And now we have the emergency contacts. If you click on that, you can add manually or add from the contacts the contact that you want. Then, if something bad happened to you, if you have some kind of a bad situation, this person that you add will be informed that something happened to you. Also, on our watch itself, we can go into that emergency SOS. So let's open up the settings. Right in here, go into emergency SOS, and we can also enable the fall detection. How to use also the emergency SOS? Press the power button 5 times in a rapid succession for emergency SOS. Then our SOS communicate will be made, and the fall detection works in that way that it will call for emergency help when a fall is detected. Below, if you click on emergency info and about, you can read more information about it. And also the last thing that I want to show you is the breathing exercise tool, which can help, for example, if you are stressed and you want to make more calm. To do it, we need to open up the app list and scroll down, and in here we have the breathing exercises. It's this icon. Simply click on that. Okay, scroll down, click on agree, and now in here we have a few modes that we can use to simply calm ourselves. If you click on the information button, you can read. In this case, it's the relaxing breathing. Being overstressed can cause shallow breathing, which prevents oxygen from getting into your lungs. If this continues for a long time, it can result in hypoxia, dizziness, fatigue, and other issues. This method can increase blood oxygen levels, mental agility, and activate your parasympathetic nerves, helping you relax and elevating anxiety. Below we have the effects, intended users, and the technique. Now to simply start it, select the mode, and now you need to simply follow the instruction on the screen, but remember that your watch needs to be on your hand. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.